Welcome, friend. I am the old wise sailor. Come sit with me. My friend, every step upward feels heavier in the storm. But the higher we climb, the closer we get to seeing clearly. I've climbed many towers like this one, through raging winds and doubt. Each step taught me the same lesson. Real strength isn't fighting the climb. It's learning to keep going even when the stairs shake beneath you. Up here, the storm shows no mercy. Listen. Look at that sky. Even the heavens are fighting tonight. But in the middle of all this chaos, something caught my eye. Through the rage of the storm, a lone seagull fighting desperately against the wind. Wings beating, but barely holding. So small against the fury of the sea. Then another appeared. Two souls, each struggling alone. Yet something drew them closer. Closer. Closer still. And when they finally met in the heart of the storm, they were no longer alone. Together, they found strength the storm could not break. The wind had not weakened, but they had grown stronger. Yes, fly together. And slowly, the sky began to remember the sun. My friend, real strength is rarely found in fighting alone. It is found when someone flies beside you. Together, they soared through what once tried to break them. Hold your course. Find your companion. And you too will fly into the light. Every storm eventually passes. Stay with me. Thank you for sailing with me today, friend. Every storm eventually passes. More wisdom awaits. Stay with me.